Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can turn $100 to over $500 in a matter of days, and how you can grow $1,000 to over $5,000 in a matter of weeks. All right, so all you're basically going to be doing is copy and paste. Okay, you copy a signal from here and you place it here and you make your profit on a daily basis. All right, so for you to make money with this method I'm about to share with you, all right, you're going to need an account on this platform. And second thing you need to do is to join our Telegram group. All right, so what you want to do is you want to copy signal from this Telegram group, then place it on this exchange, and when you start making profits, you want to take your profit immediately. All right, so to join the Telegram group is absolutely for free. In fact, you don't have to pay anything. The signals are absolutely for free. So all you simply need to do is just copy and paste them. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm quickly going to go over to the Telegram group, then show you what people are saying from this group, so yourself can see that you can actually make money with this method once you join the Telegram group. So guys, this is the Telegram group. So once you join the Telegram group, you'll be able to gain access to the signal, and once you have access to the signal, you'll be able to copy and paste them on this exchange. All right, so the first thing you want to do now is to create an account with this exchange. So I'm going to add a link to the exchange at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link, then create an account with them. So once you've created an account with them, you'll be able to join the Telegram group. So the only thing you need to do is to create an account with the exchange with the link at the description of the video, and once you've done that, we'll be able to add you to the Telegram group. All right, so this is the signal, and this is where you're going to be copying and pasting the signal. So we have a video here that is going to walk you through how you're going to go about it. All right, so these are profit from some of the signal that we share in the group. All right, so if I scroll down, you're going to see people that haven't done this before and are making profit from their trade. So as you can see here, so this one here says my first trade from yesterday's signal. All right, so as you can see, so even beginners are making profit from this. All right, so let me just scroll down again. So this one here too says my first trade ever, thank you. All right, so let's scroll down again. So these are all profits. So as you can see, this is another profit. So if you scroll down, you're going to see these are all profits. So it says my first profit, thanks a lot for this admin. Okay, as you can see, same here, thanks so much. All right, so as you can see, these are all profit from people that are in the group, and when you join the group, you also be able to make profit like they are making the profit. All right, so once you join the Telegram group, the next thing you want to do is to start copying and pasting this signal on the exchange. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to walk you through how you can copy and paste this signal and start making profit from it. All right guys, so this is the exchange, and once you've created your account, once you've logged into your account, this is what you're going to see. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on futures at the lower end here. So once you click on futures, the next thing you want to do is go back to the Telegram group. All right, so this is where we drop the signal. So take for example, this is a signal that you want to use. All right, so as you can see, we have trading pair, we have action, which is long, we have the enter points, we have leverage, we have max fund usage, we have stop loss and take profit. All right, so what you want to use here is the stop loss and take profit. Then look at the entry point, the enter point, which is 20,450 to 20,550. So the next thing you want to do is go back to the exchange, then check the pair. All right, so if you want to change the pair, just click on this section here. So it's going to bring out all of the pair. All right, so once you've done that, choose the one you want to use, then come back here. All right, so looking at the entry price here, so it says entry point is 20,450 to 20,550. all right, so you want to go back, then check the current price. All right, so the entry point is 20,450 to 20,550, and the current price here is 20,498. all right, so what you want to do is you want to use this market order. So as you can see, we have limit order, we have market order, and we have trigger order. So I have more in-depth video on this, which I pinned to the description of the video in the to the description of the Telegram channel. All right, so these are links to the video. This video are more detailed. All right, so once you've done that, choose market order, because the current price is between the entry price. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come here, then click on this icon here, then change this to 30%. all right, so this is going to use 30% of your capital. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to click on stop limit modification. All right, so here you're going to enter the take profits, then stop loss here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here again, then look at the stop loss is 20,050. all right, so here I'm going to enter 20,050. All right, so this is the stop loss, then the take profit. I'm going to go back, then copy the take profit. So the take profit here is 20,650 or above, so 20,650. So I'm going to come here, then enter 20,650. all right, so after that I'm going to click done. All right, so the next thing you want to check now is to check the action. So if it's long means buy, and if it's short means sell. All right, so I'm going to go back here, then I'm going to click on buy. All right, so I'm going to click on buy. So as you can see, so I've entered the position. So this is where I can actually see the trade that I entered. So if it's green, you are making profit, and obviously if it's red, you are losing the trade. All right, so this is basically how you do it. And if you look at the Telegram group, you can see that people are actually making profit from this. So these are profit made from the signal we shared, and if you can see, this is another one here. So these are all profits. So it says so it says he actually started this portfolio with around 19 USDT, and currently he's having over 34 USDT within a few days. I think it's actually less than a week, and he has been able to multiply his portfolio. All right, so this is basically how you make money with this platform. So what you want to do is just go to the description of the video, create an account with this exchange, and once you've done that, I'm also going to add a link to the group where we can actually verify your account, then add you to the Telegram group. All right, so this is basically all you need to do. And finally, guys, a quick disclaimer: trading crypto is actually risky. You can actually lose your money. All right, so I'm not a financial advisor, so all videos shared on this channel are meant for informational purpose only. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.